Nadiskubre ng Philippine Coast Guard sa isinagawang Maritime Domain Awareness o MDA flight nitong Huwebes ang isa na namang Chinese research vessel na unang beses pa lamang namataan sa paligid ng Bajo de Masinloc. Ayon sa PCG, ang barko ay kinilalang Intelligent Scientific Research Vessel batay sa mga impormasyong nakalap mula sa open sources.
But this time, this is the first time we documented this Chinese research vessel. According to the open source, this is the first of its kind na intelligent scientific research vessel of the Chinese government. And
bukod sa Tongji, may 4 na maliliit na bangkang umiikot sa loob ng lagoon, 3 Chinese maritime militia vessels, 2 Chinese Coast Guard vessel na umangkla malapit sa bahura. Nananatili pa rin sa bahura ang mga antena at boya na inilagay ng China.
They are not that as close in Bajo de Masinloc, but they are within the vicinity. Sometimes they are off the coast of Zambales, off the coast of Pangasinan. But this time around, we just saw them anchored together at a distance of 1 nautical miles north of Bajo de Masinloc.
Ayon kay PCG spokesperson for the West Philippine Sea, Rear Admiral J. Tariela, hindi kinikilala ng Pilipinas ang anumang marine scientific research na isinasagawa ng China sa loob ng Exclusive Economic Zone o EEZ ng bansa nang walang pahintulot ng pamahalaan.
As far as the Philippine government is concerned, we have never allowed the Chinese government to deploy a Chinese research vessel to conduct an MSR within our own exclusive economic zone.
PCG 2081 you have entered a China contiguous list to aid any misunderstanding or miscalculation. Adjust your confidence. Leave the area and stay away from it. Over.
Muling nakaranas ng radio challenge ang PCG aircraft mula sa People's Liberation Army Navy at Air Force ng China habang nagsasagawa ng routine patrol sa lugar. Sa kabila nito, iginiit ng Coast Guard na legal at naaayon sa UNCLOS at 2016 Arbitral Award ang kanilang operasyon sa West Philippine Sea. Ryan Lacanlale, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.